welcome to Vlogmas day number 4. Excuse my hair, I just got up. I have not brushed my hair. I have full-on bed hair right now, and I'm also enjoying my mushroom coffee here. I'm getting ready, well, I'm doing my morning ritual to get ready and head out to get my my laser tattoo removal, which I'm not looking forward to. I go every 6 weeks and I absolutely dread it. It's not something that I look forward to. It is extremely painful, and this is coming from someone who regularly gets laser procedures done, like laser facials, laser hair removal. That is nothing compared to laser tattoo removal. It's just a lot stronger laser, and most of the time while I'm getting it done, I'm squeezing onto like 2 stress balls. I need a stress ball because of how intense it is, and I'm gonna show you pictures of before and after. Today will be my, I believe it's my 3rd session, so not a lot in terms of results. It's not a huge difference because this is only my 3rd session, but you can kind of see where the pigment starts breaking down. What I'm actually getting done today is my leg. It's a 9-inch portrait that my husband drew for me, I want to say 7-8 years ago. I love the tattoo, don't get me wrong. The reason why I want to get rid of it is because I just feel like it doesn't go with me anymore. The placement doesn't look good anymore. I have gained and lost weight throughout the last couple of years. I mean, I got this tattoo done 7 years ago, and my body has changed drastically. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and I'm gonna show you how raw my skin looks after I get it done. I shaved last night. I had to because the last 2 times that I've gone to get it done, I haven't shaved that area because I'm scared. It itches, it hurts, it's raw, it's hot, and it gets extremely swollen. I don't like to aggravate it and make it worse by shaving, and it gets so dry and like flaky dry. I'm talking about flaky, itchy, dry skin. So I don't shave it. But last night I had to because the lady told me that I think she's a nurse. She told me that if I don't shave, the laser's not gonna really hit where it needs to hit, which is like the pigment, breaking down the pigment in my skin. So I shaved last night. I have been using vitamin E oil. They recommended I do that. I have my hydrocortisone for the inflammation. And when the pigment's being broken down by the laser, it goes into the bloodstream, goes through your system. So you have to eat better, drink a lot of water, take your vitamins, work out, and stay active. So I don't know what else to say other than the fact that I'm not looking forward to getting this done today. Oh, I don't want to do it. All right, wish me luck, guys. So it's time for me to get ready. I'm gonna finish my mushroom coffee, get this mess under control. It is so frizzy. Yeah, I'm gonna go get ready. Watch. Back home. The session wasn't too bad. It was a lot more tolerable than last time. It still hurt. There were a few moments where I found myself kind of like what do you call it? I guess, I don't know if you would call it reflexes going off, or I don't know what was going on, but every time like the laser would snap on my skin on certain areas, I would like my legs would immediately tremble. Like they would react and they would like jump. Like I was so tense. I don't know if it's because I was so tense. I think the pain is just so much that my reflexes just kick in, and it's something that I can't control. So that was the only issue I had today, but it was not that bad, not as bad as last time. I can see the dents, the indents where my sunglasses were. So I'm just gonna stay home for now, start editing videos, and get some work done. Just relax for a little bit. It still hurts, it's still throbbing, and it's swollen. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Hard time showing you because it's so close to my nether region, so I'm just gonna give you a little glimpse of what it looks like. It's a really big tattoo, you guys, so yeah. Okay, I'm really trying not to show you guys my crotch, but I'm gonna include a picture of what the tattoo originally looked like before I started getting laser treatment. Do you guys see how red that is? And it's throbbing, it's swollen. My leg is not normally this puffy, and I can actually feel the heat coming off this part of my skin. It feels hot. So I'm gonna go put an ice pack on this and let it cool down a bit and relax. I have to have my feet elevated. I have to keep my feet up elevated. I'm gonna probably be resting on the couch. It's good to do that because the blood flow is a lot better. So I'm gonna go rest my leg for now. Yeah. Not bad, right? You guys saw how red that was? It might blister. It happened the first time. It might blister. I didn't pop the blisters. I'm too scared to do that. That sounds very painful. They went away on their own. Right now it has hydrocortisone. You just can't see it. It already like melted into the skin. Like I said, my skin is like boiling hot right now. It's so hot and swollen. This is completely unrelated, but I just want to tell you guys how much I'm loving my skin right now. It's looking super oily and shiny, but I don't mind. I'm really liking it. It does look a little oily, but I don't mind the texture showing on my skin. I'm embracing this shiny look. I quickly want to show you guys what I used today. I used a BB cream. This one is from Misha. It's a BB cushion, and this is the shade number 23. I'm using my Anastasia brow gel in the color, let me see here. This is the color ash brown, and I'm starting to think that this color no longer suits me because I changed my hair color. And I'm also using a cream blush. No, I'm sorry, this is a cream highlighter. This is from Chanel, and it's in the color transparent. So it's no color, it's just like a balmy, look how oily and shiny that looks. It looks really nice. It has no glitter, which I really enjoy. It doesn't have that chunky glitter. I like glitter, don't get me wrong, but it's nice to have this on days when I don't want to go full on glam. Like today, I just stepped out for a little bit. I also use the Chanel cream blush, and this is the color number 23. This is like a corally pink. Let me see. This one has slight sparkle. It's not too much though. It's very nice. It's like a corally pink, which suits my skin tone. Yeah, that's all I'm wearing. I'm wearing BB cream and cream products and brow gel, and it looks like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, but honestly it's the BB cream. It's really good. It has like medium to full coverage, and I really enjoy using it because it makes my skin look a little dewy. Although you guys might think this is not dewy. This is like beyond dewy. This is like oily, but I don't care. I like it. It feels comfortable on my skin. It doesn't feel dry.